Hi everybody, it's me, Jara. Welcome and thank you for clicking on this video. This is a tote bag that I carried this week to work. This is a inexpensive bag that I cannot remember where I purchased this bag from. It was either Amazon or Temu, Shein, a place like that. This bag is like, it emulates, I think, like a Louis Vuitton bag or something like that. And what makes this bag so special to me is this new to me Coach jewel train strap right here that I just recently purchased. And I also showcased this on an Amazon, no, a Coach haul from, I think, last week. If you haven't looked at that video, check it out. I'll try to link it below. But the chain, this jewel chain strap from Coach right here, Coach Retail. This chain is so pretty. When I had this bag sitting in the passenger seat in my car and the sun would shine on it and the chain jewel strap would reflect on the seat of my car. Oh, y'all, it was so pretty. It's so pretty. I would look over and glance and see how the jewels would reflect onto the seat. It was so pretty. So here is the bag. It's like this vanilla color here, as you can see. And then I also put this charm on it that I purchased from off of Shein. And stay tuned to my channel, you guys, because I am going to do a Shein charm haul. I have some pretty charms that I want to show you guys that I purchased from Shein recently. So this is one of them. So I added this beautiful charm to it as well. And so here's the front of the bag, the side right here. Here's the back of the bag. Okay. And then here is the bottom of the bag. It looks like this. So because I do not want to make this a long video, I'm going to show you real quick a quick overview of the bag. It looks like this. Okay. The bag is heavy because I carried this bag all week long. So the bag has like a little clasp right here. So let me try to unclasp it real quick so that I can show you what's inside. I'm not going to go over everything because in a way I'm kind of tired of it because the bag is kind of heavy now because I have so much stuff inside of it. All right, so the biggest thing I have in here is this Kipling bag because I had errands to run every day after work. And I did not want to carry this heavy, larger size tote with me when I ran my errands. So inside of here, and so I do have a purse organizer here. And so in the back pocket right here, y'all, I have my tissue. I do have this Bobbi Brown tinted moisturizers right here. I do have this Bobbi Brown, what is this? Pressed powder, and it looks like this. This is okay. These two Bobbi Brown makeup products is okay. I would not purchase this again. And what else do I have? I have some Tic Tacs, and I do have this Sephora. This is a, you guys, what is this? Eyeliner. This is the eyeliner from Sephora in a pink color. I am wearing it right now, and I do like it. And that is all that I have in that section. And then I also have these mitts from Five Below. Sephora, not Sephora. I'm discombobulated, guys. These little Sephora, why do I keep saying Sephora? I am battling a migraine right now, guys. I'm taking Nurtec right now. I'm on Nurtec, which is a migraine medicine. I've been fighting a migraine all weekend, y'all. So anyway, these are mints from Five Below. I have that in there. And then this bag also came with this pouch right here. And inside of this pouch is my carry-all, where I just have like dental floss, face cream, stuff like that is in here. So since I'm battling a migraine, I might seem a little bit scatterbrained, so forgive me. I'm doing the best that I can. And what else? My bandana. My taser. What else? Okay, so now I'm going to start pulling things from my my organizer. I have, let me show y'all this organizer. Pull it out. If I can get it out. So here's what the organizer look like. It's this beautiful shade of pink. I have my eyeglass case. I have a emery board is in here. What else? Oh, here's the wallet that I was carrying earlier this week by Juicy Couture, and it looks like this. Let me see what the inside of it looks like. Here's what the inside of it looks like. I have my micro mini notebook by Happy Planner. Here's my phone. I have a reusable straw. I have a perfume by Carolina Herrera blush. My AirPod Pros. A note to myself. And then I have Bath and Body Works Pink Obsessed, a little travel size spray. Smells okay. Pink Obsessed. It's okay. What else? Oh yeah, this Neutrogena face lotion SPF 60, which I like a lot. This is a new to me product. I like this. It does not leave a white cast on my skin, so I like this product. My La Octane hand cream that looks like this. I'm trying to finish this. I do have a Shea Moisture stick. It's a body butter stick. Looks like this. You twist it off. And I use this as mostly a cuticle moisturizer. I like this product. And then I want to show you the purse organizer in a little bit more detail, you guys. So it looks like this. Those black Velcro strips there. This also came with a center compartment. I don't particularly care for center compartments, you guys. They just take up unnecessary space, in my opinion. So here you see there's some pockets here, which mostly holds my lip products. I carry a lot of lip products with me. So let me show you those. I have some lip pencils. I have here my MAC lip pencil in the color Cherry. It looks like this. Okay, it's red. And I was using that with my Revlon. It's a matte lipstick and it's red. So when I want to wear a red lip. So these two go together, MAC Cherry and that. And then this is a Sephora lip liner. And oh, see, when I want to do stuff fast, it never works that way. I'm going to struggle. But anyway, this is in the color, I can't see it right now, you guys. Wine. This is like a wine color. And it's, there we go. And it looks like this. Okay, and I don't know why. I just have this in here. And then I have my MAC Magenta lip liner. Okay, and I am wearing that right now, along with, what am I wearing that with? Oh, the Summer Friday. And this is in brown sugar. So I mixed Summer Friday brown sugar with MAC Magenta. That's what I have on today, this lip combo. And then I have also in here this Milani Fruit Fetish lip gloss is in here. And then I have a MAC lip glass right here. And then this is in the color Love Child. I've shown this before, and Love Child looks like that. And then I have a couple of more lip products, you guys, and that'll be all. I finally got my hands on this Fenty lip gloss in the color Mrs. Jellyfish, which also looks very pretty with MAC lip liner in magenta. This is so pretty, you guys. It looks like this. Let me swatch it. Looks like that. It's an iridescent, like purple color. It's so pretty with MAC magenta. Oh, I swatched way too much. Don't want to waste because it took me forever to get this. Thanks, Miss J Brown, Mom Ambition. She's a YouTuber here. She showed this on her channel. She is always suggesting beautiful lip combos. Mom Ambition, thank you. But let me tell y'all real quick about how I had trouble getting this. Okay, so I ordered this from Sephora. You can buy this from Sephora. I had ordered mine from Kohl's Sephora because Kohl's is more easily accessible to me than a Sephora store. So anyway, I ordered it. Through the mail, they sent me something from Benefit. So I waited a whole week to get it in the mail. It's the wrong item. So I had to take a drive to a Sephora to exchange it to get this. I had to drive out of my way after work in the rain because it's been raining here off and on mostly every day. There's been rain here in the Midwest. And so I finally got my hands on it, and it is so pretty. I got the last one in the store. So this, obviously, this Mrs. Jellyfish is a popular item, but it was so worth it because I do enjoy wearing this. Okay, so enough about that. And then the last item is my Vaseline lip balm. So that is all that I had in this little tote right, or not little, in this medium to large size tote right here. All right, so hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for joining me, guys. Talk to you soon. Bye.